Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix your Triller app not working problem. Well, if your Triller app isn't working, start by checking your internet connection. You wanna switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes. Next, you wanna close the app completely and reopen it or restart your phone and clear temporary glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version by checking the App Store or Google Play for updates, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall the app for to refresh its files. Clear the app's cache from your phone settings to remove any corrupted data that may be causing issues. Finally, you want to check the trailer's official social media status page for any service outage. Because sometimes the problem isn't on your end, but it's on the company itself. So follow these steps and your app should be back to be running smoothly.